average listing, $350,000, 3% commission. What is that? $10,500, right? So if you want to make more money, obviously you got to either go after a higher price or you got to do more with the clients that you already have as well. But $10,000, I would think, and I'm in Atlanta. I know some of you guys in different parts of the country that are here in this meeting this morning, but 300,000, 10,000 is about normal, right? So $10,000 on the commission side. And I forgot who was that. Alice that said she picked up another listing. Who was that that said they picked up another listing? Who said that in the opening? Somebody picked up another listing. All right, yes, so now that's another 10,000, 20,000. And then you have adopted clients that come to your open houses. Remember how we started this? I started you guys on the baby end of the listing piece by going after for sale by owners just to do open houses. I did that on purpose because I know if you can do an open house to somebody for free, you will do what Alice did and you will pick up sellers and you will pick up buyers. And some of you guys that started to do this, you did that because you let me know that you did. And then outside of that, you could get a 5-star review. How much is a 5-star review worth? How much is a 5-star review worth?
Priceless.
Unbelievable. Everything else is MasterCard, right? It's priceless. A 5-star review is worth more than 3 commission checks. If somebody says, AT, I'll give you $30,000 or you can get this 5-star review, I'll take the 5-star review. I can make the $30,000 later off the 5-star review because I could just market the person's video or the 5-star review all over social media saying that look at what this person said about me, which is public relations versus what I say about me, which is braggadocious and marketing. We never want to market. We always want to try to do public relations when it talks about acquiring clients. That's why everybody here should have a worthy cause that they support, like we do in our team, Children's Healthcare of Atlanta, and the children's hospitals in different states. I know Karen does the Children's Hospital in Michigan, and that's for those reasons. Video testimonials, unbelievably priceless, right? You can check out some video testimonials on our site at attclientreviews.com. attclientreviews.com. Check it out. And then referrals, right? You get referrals. I get at least 2 to 3 calls every single week because of our 5-star reviews. Every week. Got a referral last week from Memphis. The week before that, got a lady from they referred a client to me from Washington. I told you guys this story. She says, how do you have so many 5-star reviews? Because we're intentional about getting them. Because I know if I'm intentional about getting 5-star reviews, when other realtors have clients that want to move to Atlanta, I'll pop up number 1. And they read our reviews and we get the client. We adopted a client from Washington State. It's $2.3 million worth of deals. $750,000 he's selling. Of course, EXP, we're at EXP. So I'm getting 50% of the listing in Washington, 4% on the buy here plus $597. And then of course, we're gonna get the loan as well. $63,000 in commissions off one client by having 5-star reviews, right? So that's how important a 5-star review is. This year, so far, it's worth $63,000. Okay, so the only question is, how many can you get?